In this video, you'll open Google Drive and take a look at some of its features. To get started, find the Google Apps icon. It's a symbol with 9 small dots located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Google Apps icon to open the Google Apps menu. Then find the Drive icon in the Google Apps menu and click it. You can also get to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into your navigation bar and pressing Enter or Return. This is what your Google Drive looks like. If you've never created anything with Google Apps before, it may be empty. If you have created projects in Google Apps with this Google account, you will see them stored here. This is the area where your files and folders are stored. You can click on any of these folders or files to open them. Suggested files are files that you are likely to use. This menu gives you quick options to help you find the files you're looking for. For example, Recent will bring up files you've used recently. Now it's your turn. Open a new tab, click on the Google Apps icon, and select Google Drive. Then click Next to watch the next video.